Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ashwini Priyadarshan. Today's recipe is jackfruit seeds masala vada. This is a complete unique recipe and very healthy too. Let's see the process. First, in a mixer grinder, I'm taking 2 cups of soaked chana dal. I have soaked this chana dal for about 2 to 3 hours. Along with this, few green chilies. You can adjust it according to your spice levels. 1 inch of ginger and 15 to 20 jackfruit seeds. And I have boiled this jackfruit seeds for 2 to 3 whistles. Along with this, 1 spoon of jeera, garlic pods, curry leaves, along with 1 spoon of salt. We just need to coarse grind it. Make sure you're not adding so much of water. If you add so much of water, it will absorb oil. So we just need to coarse grind it. After that, I'm adding some soaked chana dal on top of it just for some crispness. Along with it, some finely chopped onions and coriander leaves. Having said that, jackfruit seeds have many health benefits, like it prevents wrinkles, prevents anemia and helps to build muscle. It's really a good idea to include such authentic ingredients in our diet. It helps us in many ways. Meanwhile, in a pan, I have taken oil for deep frying. We need to wait until the oil is heated. Meanwhile, we have to give a flat press to a coarse grinded mixture and deep fry it. In the same way, we have to repeat this for all the other patties as well. Just a gentle flat press is required. And small tip is you have to fry in high to medium flame only. Do not fry it in low flame. When you do it in low flame, it might absorb excess oil. Just to avoid it, make sure you're frying it in medium to high. It takes about 5 to 6 minutes to cook completely. Frequent flipping of sides is required for this. And I feel this is very important to include such recipes right from the childhood age for our kids, as it has many health benefits. And one of the other important benefit of jackfruit seeds is it's good for our eyes and it helps to boost our energy as well. And it keeps us active for a long time. It just keeps our stomach full. So I prefer to have this recipe in our diet at least once in a week. Especially in this rainy monsoon seasons, it's a good snack in the evenings as well. So that's it. Now it's time to get this vadas out of the pan, and you can serve it hot with onions or mint chutney, anything. So that's it guys. This is one of the easy and tasty recipes and healthy too. If you like this video, press the like button. Do share your feedbacks in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to receive the notifications of my videos.